Come to work with me.
When you open the circle, it means that the whole area here is sacred ground.
So when we made this, everyone thought we were crazy.
I think this place is called Carring. Oh, it's my face. Sit down, sir. How are you?
I'm great.
Oh,
Fucking brilliant.
yeah. I'm gonna go up there when we get out into the sea, so we don't have maybe so much of the modern around us. Don't worry, I'll have a go later, and he'll be like, "Just go swim to shore."
Yeah.
But the devil went, "Fuck, I'm not having a back."
You love hot moms as well?
I wish I was a hot mom. I'm just a fat twat.
We gon' stand together. We were born to fight and make it all night.
This is a nice cold place to be.
While I'm leaving this town, I'm gonna break it.
Tomorrow you will be dead.
Take that, CrossFit.